am going to grill an entire chicken, but first, you gotta do the butterfly, so it's gonna cook quicker and more evenly. And then Jeffrey, my sous chef, are you gonna help me out with the sweet sauce I'm gonna glaze it with?
I'm making a sauce, right?
But first I'm gonna butterfly. I wanna show you how to butterfly first, really quick. And a lot of people call it
spatchcock.
Yes, exactly, but I like to call it butterflying. So first things first, I wanna show you the business end of the chicken so you can figure out where the backbone is. The backbone is usually gonna have the tailbone attached to it, right? So that's how you know. And you could just use your kitchen shears. And what I like to do is, if you imagine this is the center, I go along both sides of the center to cut out the backbone.
We don't throw that away, right?
Oh, I'm not throwing this away. Are you crazy? Sometimes I'll put this in the freezer, freeze it. You get a whole lot of, backbones. You can make some stock. But let's just put this on the grill.
I think it's great.
So then I turn it around.
So much simpler to do it like this.
It's like chicken ribs. That's what we call them, chicken ribs.
No,
yeah,
it's amazing.
This is good gnawing right here,
Some people are squeamish about dealing with chickens. If you have a good butcher, he can go ahead and do that for you.
Yeah, they can do it for you.
Yeah.
And then so now once we've got the backbone out, see that right there? We've got the breastplate. So what I like to do is I get a nice, good kitchen knife, and I go in, and right in the center, just do a little like that. And that's just gonna help it lay flat for you. Now, sometimes you'll see people that like to take out these rib cage bones right here, but I just kind of love them for the flavor. So I leave them in. Plus, it's a great cradle for whatever you wanna put in there if you wanna kind of baste on that side as well. So I'm just gonna get this over here. And Jeezy, if you don't mind opening the grill for me.
Certainly.
And you can get out the little pot. We can start on the sauce.
So what do you want in this sauce? I have onions and...
Yes.
This is grated onions, right?
Yeah, it's just grated onions. Let me wash my hands really quick. It's just grated onion on like a little box grater. Then there's some olive oil in there.
There's something else in there.
Allspice.
Oh, it's amazing.
A little pinch of allspice is gonna be so good in this. So add to that.
Oh,
okay, what do you want?
Really,
so nice.
a little pour of some apple cider vinegar. It's gonna kind of bring it up, a little bit of tang, because we're gonna put some sugar in there. That's light brown sugar, throw that in. It's gonna help it caramelize. Get that in there. Some grained Dijon mustard.
Nothing like it.
Love it. And then a few shakes of some hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce.
Say when.
That you like.
Seriously? Oh my God.
Okay, and then get it back on over here.
And just boil it down until it glazes?
Start stirring it with the brush and everything. And we're gonna let this kind of thicken up and become a nice glaze. But as you can see, I have another butterflied chicken right here that I started on the grill, skin side down, then flip it over. Not time to glaze it just yet because there's sugar in here and I don't want to burn it. So we're gonna hang out for a quick second. We're gonna talk about some more grilling stuff, right, Jeff?
Yes, nothing but a success. I can guarantee you I will eat at least 1.5 of those.
Okay.
That's a guarantee, America.
How's that chicken coming?
Well, the chicken, so basically what we have over here is I threw the chicken down that I went ahead and butterflied, and one that's already butterflied has been sitting here and grilling up. Now, a lot of times people want to know, how long do you cook the chicken? Until it's to the right temperature.
Yes.
It's 160. I like to pull it off and tint it. It'll come up to what you need it to be. And what you want to do is I love to kind of check into the leg, close to the bone in that dark meat area. And then that's when I know when I can start glazing. I say about 10 or 15 degrees away from where you want it. Start glazing at the very end. You glaze that right towards the end of the process because what you don't want to do is for the sugars to burn instead of caramelize. And then just kind of cover that up. And then what I have right here is another chicken. Now, what I do when I get my chicken off the grill or even out of the oven, just like a steak, you want to rest it for a little bit. So if you cut something when juices are boiling, they're going to boil out. But if you wait until they're at a low simmer, they'll just kind of hang out in between the meat and leave everything really juicy for you. So,
oh, look at that.
Now, this is my sweet glazed butterflied chicken. Sometimes I like to go in and cut the thigh.
That piece of skin.
Or the breast in half.
Sunny.
Yeah?
It's crispy. It's incredibly juicy. I love the fact that it's so juicy and it came right off the grill. That is one beautiful piece of chicken.